Welcome to the project demonstration of Bluetooth based irrigation motor controlling system. So here we are going to controlling the motor through the Bluetooth mobile phone. So here the commands will be received by this SC05 Bluetooth module and will be decoded by the microcontroller, and based on the command received the system will on and off this irrigation water pumping motor. So we are using this as a small presentation of the prototype presentation, and that will be controlled through the electromagnetic relay, so which is of operating voltage is 5 volt. So whenever you want to control the motor, the command will be executed based on the condition written in the microcontroller. So for example, if you send the command to on the motor, then the relay will get switched on and parallelly the motor will get switched on. So the whole system getting power supply from this 230 volts AC input power cable, and that is parallelly input to the motor through this relay and to the transformer. So transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. So but our microcontroller and Bluetooth module relay operating voltage is 5 volt. So for that purpose we are making use of this regulated power supply board. So it has a rectification section using these 4 diodes which are connected in a manner of bridge rectifier. So after that we will get the pulsating DC of 12 volts. So the pulses will be removed by this capacitor. So we will get the pure DC voltage of 12 volts. So here next step is a 7805 regulator. The output of this 7805 regulator is 5 volts constant DC. So that is the main input operating voltage to the microcontroller. When we provide that 5 volts, so it start reading input from the HC05 Bluetooth module which was connected at B0 B1 pin, and based on the conditions we are going to control this relay which was connected at C0 pin of our PIC16F72 microcontroller. So before on the kit, we need to do some initial install application in your mobile phone. Go to Play Store and install this HC05. Just type HC05, you will get this icon, install that application. And the next, on the power supply to the kit. So very first time when you are demonstrating from your mobile phone, we need to pair to the HC05 Bluetooth module from the settings. So go to Bluetooth settings and search for new device. There you get the HC05. So HC05 and the password is 1234. Right. So after pairing from the settings, then we will get the HC05 in our application. So when we open this application, it will show you like this buttons, 5 buttons. So when you click on that, it will ask you to enter the name, button name. Just we have entered the motor on. So like this, motor on, and command should be 1, and deselect these 2. You can select that also, not a problem. And next for motor off, again 0, and deselect these 2. So these 2 are the conditions to control the motor. So just I am sending the command to motor on. So that command was received by this SC05 to the microcontroller. Based on the condition we have written in the embedded C language, it will on the motor. So directly the motor gets switched on. Right. So whenever you want to off the motor, just send the command motor off, then the motor will get switched off. So the main application of this project is we can control the irrigation water pump wireless remotely. So the distance, the controlling distance is around 20 meters maximum. So if you want to control the motor like from anywhere in the world, then we can go with the 2 options. One is SMS based, another is the IoT based.